Hey there! If you keep seeing that annoying iPhone storage full notification, don't stress. I'm here with some simple solutions to help you clear up some space and get your iPhone storage back on track. This is a common issue, but with a bit of organization regarding your apps, photos, and data, we can tackle it together. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Check iPhone storage usage and delete unwanted apps. First, open the Settings app. Next, scroll down to find the General option. Tap on General. Then select iPhone storage. Here, you'll see a detailed breakdown showing how much space each app and type of content is using. Take a moment to identify the biggest offenders. After that, start deleting any unused apps right from this list. You can even offload larger files directly from here as well. Solution 2. Delete unnecessary photos and videos. Now, open the Photos app. Go through your photos and videos, paying extra attention to large files or duplicates. Tap Select in the top right corner, choose the items you want to delete, and hit the trash icon. Don't forget to empty the recently deleted folder to free up even more space. You can do this by going to Albums, tapping on Recently Deleted, then tap Select, finally tap Delete All. Solution 3. Manage Messages. Go to Settings again. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Find Messages and select it. Look for the Keep Messages option. Tap on Keep Messages and choose either 30 days or 1 year instead of forever. Lastly, consider deleting old conversations, especially those that have large attachments. Solution 4. Clear Safari cache. Now let's clear up some space in Safari. Start by opening Settings. Scroll down and select Apps. Find and tap on Safari. After that, tap on Clear History on Website Data. This will help free up space by removing cached files and your browsing history. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the iPhone storage full issue and free up space on your device. If you found this guide helpful, I would love to hear from you in the comments below. Happy organizing!